Have you ever thought, how does a search happen on Google? I'm sure everyone knows about keyword. But have you ever wondered how important a role does it play in pulling out those Google searches? Hello everyone, I'm Noori Imamuddin and welcome to another session of Noori's Narrative. In part 1 of SEO Simplified, we have understood the basics of search engine optimization. In today's video, we will talk about on-page SEO. But what is an on-page SEO? Anything that you do within your website to get rankings on search engine is covered under on-page SEO. It has to do everything with the users and the experience that he or she will have when on your website. There are more than 200 factors that needs to be considered while working on improving SEO. But technically it's not even possible. Even if we can take care of a few points, it is definitely going to help on increasing the rankings. The most important of it is page load time. So how long does it take for the page to load? As the duration increases, so is the bounce rate. Simply meaning the person did not stay on the page. Google gets annoyed because the user gets annoyed. Nobody has the time to wait till the page on your website gets loaded. The second most important point is clickable logo, and it should be visible on all the pages. Let's say I'm on a website and I'm on page 3, but there is some information I realize is on home page. Now to get that information, I have to scroll back to all the pages. If there was a clickable logo on that page, my journey back to home page would have been easier and convenient. I would have enjoyed the experience. If a user is happy, Google is happy. Another important factor is your contact information. It should be visible on all the pages and should be clickable. Now let's take another example. I am on a website of local restaurant. I am going through the menu. I like the menu and the prices are reasonable. I decide to call. If there is call or WhatsApp button, I might decide to call right then. But let's say call button is not there and I have to scroll back to the contact page to get that information. I might not make the call at all and a prospect customer is lost. The content or the copy on your website also plays an important role in on-page SEO. Let's take an example of a property listing website. There are two sections: luxury apartments and cheap apartments. The page which is luxury apartments should have words like luxury, convenient, wherein the page which pertains to cheap apartments should have words like affordable, budget friendly, cost effective. Now coming back to how does a search happen on Google. There are two key terms: search text and keywords. Search text are the words that a user types in the search engine while looking for any information, wherein the keywords are the words that you will be putting in your website, which when matches with the search text signals to Google so that Google can put your website in front of the search pages. Keywords can be put in the front end of the website using copywriting skills. It can also be fed in at the back end of the website. But always remember, do not stuff keywords because you might get banned by Google for keyword stuffing. Why? Because Google wants to give a fair chance to all the websites. On that note, we'll take a break and understand keyword planning and optimizing of the back end of the website in my next session. Till then, keep learning digital and don't forget to follow my social handles. Bye for now.